So, morning Mikey, it's us two. I don't know if this works or not. Well, I'll tell you what, a good sign is the freight door opens and look, we've got some bins going on board for you.
We are now moments away from the Buffalo Airways 737 taking off from Bournemouth in the UK for its trip all the way to Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Super excited. We got some footage this morning from the guys who are doing their final walk around, loading the aircraft up with a set of ULDs. So if you want to come to Edmonton and be there with me while the airplane lands, I got some information coming up. If you're in Bournemouth and you want to see the airplane take off, the information is it's going to be taken off Bournemouth, hopefully, weather permitting, everything permitting, at 0900 Zulu, which is 10 o'clock local time in Bournemouth, which is, I think, around 2 a.m. Yellowknife time. And it's going to be going to Iceland for some fuel and to Iqaluit. And it's going to be overnighting Iqaluit to make sure it can get to Edmonton at a decent hour on Thursday. So basically, for tomorrow, which is Wednesday, if you're in Bournemouth, 10 o'clock local time in the morning, please take a shot of the airplane, get some video, send it to me. Any of my socials at Mikey McBryan, love to see it. And so if you want to come see the airplane in Edmonton with me, the YEG Edmonton Airport has been gracious enough to give us an actual spot dedicated for the Buffalo Airways crew and plane spotters who want to see the airplane. It's very simple to find. You basically come in on the main road into the terminal, and just before the Renaissance Hotel, you turn right down one of the access roads, and then it's on the left circled here. The YEG Airport's going to put out some signs. Hopefully see you in Edmonton, and we're going to see this airplane very soon.
I think this is one of the first airplanes they've gone to town on a proper logo, isn't it?